Yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S? Skeng here with another reaction. And today, guys, here with Skeng and Jigsta song called Eediattt. Song name Eediattt. Let's jump in it and see where the G them did it. Let's go. Let's get it. Big up yourself, Skeng. Drop top production. Big up drop top. Active. Rebel.
Every girl get active. Active. Right now, Hofferness get active. Righteous get active. Yes. The white place get active.
Obviously, we see the girl, let me say, them out on the street and to the coaster bus them, so you know it's gonna be a vibe. It's gonna be a party vibes. Alright?
Whoa, Jesus Christ! Talk to them, DJ.
Hey, girl, you Eediattt. Fuck with chicken and have cheap it near one P. That no girl leave that. No be no cheap hot.
Hey, girl, you Eediattt. Fuck with chicken and have cheap it. Yo, what?
Jesus Christ!
It's another banger, man.
Hey, girl, you Eediattt. Fuck with chicken and have cheap it near one P. That no girl leave that. No be no cheap hot. No see your bed pop down like Leland.
Oh, Mokla. You know, see your bed pop down like Leland. That song you shouldn't offend the girl them who value themselves. That song you shouldn't affect the girl them or offend the girl them who have self-worth. Big up the girl who have self-worth. Ladies, uno take pride on yourself. So no man can style you know. Yeah.
Hey, girl, you Eediattt. Fuck with chicken and have cheap it near one P. That no girl leave that. No be no cheap hot. No see your bed pop down like Leland. Play ton gun man, the go to junction. We make sense of the girl man function. Stupid and guns man senses action. How the fatty boom boom, how the slim girl.
Yo, there's so much things going on in that video. Yeah. There's so much going on. You have the bus scene. You have the scene where outside of the bus where people are doing them a thing and rebel them a dance and yo, it's active for sure.
Don't like Leland, play ton gun man, the go to junction. We make sense of the girl man function. Stupid and guns man senses action. How the fatty boom boom, how the slim girl. Follow instruction. Follow instruction.
Follow instruction.
You never dash a belly girl check. You never fuck a boy around friend.
This I go bust in a party. This I go shell parties. That song when that song drop, girl I go get wild. Get that song I go make the girl and broke out. Big up Skeng, big up Jigsta.
Follow instruction. Everybody.
You never dash a belly girl check. You never fuck a boy around friend. The girl can't hype.
You never dash your belly. Hold on.
Dash a belly girl check.
Oh, you never dash your belly girl check.
Follow instruction. Everybody.
You never dash a belly girl check. You never fuck a boy around friend.
You never fuck a boy around and fret. So what he must say this is you not have nothing, you not have no STD, you not have no infection. So you know, say yo, if you fuck a boy and him catch something, and not from you him catch it from, or somebody else him catch it from, because you're underneath clean, you're good.
Everybody.
You never dash a belly girl check. You never fuck a boy around friend. The girl can't hype on you in a your clothes. They check them up empty closet. No man never yet scarred you today. Put the pussy from me be a Texan.
No man never yet scarred you to death. You have some man live a yard with some girl or catch a girl yard or whatever the case may be, vice versa, and he would have never eat from her, would have never, if she go in the kitchen go cook, it would have never have nothing to do with her cooking. I like scan, that is a scan, but if me have a girl live with me, most supposed to can trust her if you deal with the thing. You understand? I mean, I have a scan person I live with. No, that makes no sense. Not live with it for so be the case, but big up
You never dash a belly girl check. You never fuck a boy around friend. The girl can't hype on you in a your clothes. They check them up empty closet. No man never yet scarred you today. Put the pussy from me be a Texan. Hug up your friend, my girl, and box all about. Everybody get man up on this.
Hey, girl, you Eediattt. Yeah, mascot. Yeah, see me here, friend get boxed up. Some girl a chat up. I hear they a soft up.
Last week, me your friend get boxed up, some girl a talk up, and they a soft up. Where they pan? You that girl? For real? You that?
My girl and box all about. Everybody get man up on this.
This bad.
Girl, you Eediattt. yeah, mascot.
Drop top.
Yeah, see me
Energy.
get box up. Some girl a chat up. I hear they a soft up. Mood a beat up a girl with a magnum.
Skeng a Satan, you know, you hear him say? How some girl a talk up and you there so soft up. If I him, basically him a say, if I me like you, me da beat up a girl with a magnum. Magnum back.
Box up, some girl a chat up. I hear they a soft up. Mood a beat up a girl with a magnum. Come and me tell you something.
Love
your legs, them hope my fat pussy stiff titty and your teeth now rat. Now make a day a gunman. Make you sit down in a circle and a boom bang. Cocky now make mali mali. Half does a girl can't beat now. Chat a your back well broad like Miss Loose that you flip up now big them.
Yo, Skeng different, yo. The man does different, bro. Yo, big up the Ratty Gang them out there. Big up the Ratty Gang them. We watch a reaction.
Listen, wanna see you in your legs, them hope my fat pussy stiff titty and your teeth now rat. Now make a day a gunman. Make you sit down in a circle and a boom bang. Cocky now make mali mali. Half does a girl can't beat now. Chat a your back well broad like Miss Loose that you.
The man say half dozen girl can't beat her chat, yo. No matter how much of them can't beat your. Remember, say half dozen and 16 enough girl to beat one girl, you know, and that still can't happen. So that means you think loud, mama. You think large and in charge. Them can't get nothing.
Mali mali, half dozen girl can't beat now. Chat a your back well broad like Miss Loose that you. Flip up now.
Back well broad like Miss Loose that you.
Me want to pick a lace, girl them. The bad one them. Send pins and girl them a mad them. Jimmy bad girl them. Push up behind them. Every car gang girl a your and them.
Man say Guyanese girl, Vincy girl, Trini girl. Hey, big up the Caribbean ladies. Them.
Mama them, Jimmy bad tell them, push up behind them. Every car gang girl a your and them. Yeah, girl a problem, but me still love them.
Man say yeah, girl a problem, but me still love them. Obviously.
Every car gang girl a your and them. Yeah, girl a problem, but me still love them. Palliation dance and a rock them. Pack it up, brawling, Kennedy's calling. And the got them a left side. Hey, girl, you idiot. Fuck with chicken and have cheap it near one P that. No girl leave that. No be no cheap hot. You see a bed packed down like Leland. Pay ton gunman, they go to junction. We make sense of the girl man function. Stupid and dunce man senseless action. How the fatty boom boom, how the slim girl. Follow instruction. Come and follow instruction.
You got to the girl on instruction.
Follow instruction. Everybody, yeah.
You never that family girl check. You never fuck a boy around her friend. No girl get iPad you in a your clothes. You check them up empty closet. No man never yet scarred you today.
Like
Put the pussy from the damn text set. Hug up your friend, my girl, and box all about. Everybody get mad up in this.
If I King Cam shoot this not shoot good, brother.
King Cam, big up. King Cam, you did a great job, bro. You did a great job. Yo, drop top. Big up yourself, bro. You always are find them hits there. Jigsta, I'm guessing you're a selector. Big up yourself, G. But I'm not sure if you're a Skeng selector. But Skeng, bro. You keep on raising the bar and showing us how versatile it is, bro. You see me? Skeng, it's like the space in dancer we have now, bro. It's just you alone in another space there, brother. And we said this already in our next reaction. It's only you alone in another space there, bro. That them can't take that from you, bro. It's yours to fuck up. It's yours to fuck up. You see me? And so far, every song we drop, bro, numbers. Don't lie. You see me? You're not disappoint the Ratty Gang family, brother. Like, big up the RG family. You see me? Yeah, never flop, bro. Never flop. Instant hit, man. Your EP out also. Obviously, me see clipping from your EP launch and thing. Good luck. You have enough support there from Russian and something about Nicki Minaj. We never quite see the part there, but yeah. This is the dancehall that we need. We need some fun loving. Some fun song where the girl them can break out and too much chopping song and too much this and that, man. We want some song where the girl them can vibe to in a party, brother. Too much man in a video like that. I always been saying that, you see me? So, bro, you did it again. You did it again. And obviously, we can say you and dropped up a build this working relationship where I work for the 2 hours now, obviously. So big up yourself, my G. Yeah, big up yourself and definitely we want more songs like this from other artists too. Only just follow suit and just give it some of them songs, man. the girl them want some of them songs, dog. You see me? So anyway, this is why I'm gonna leave that one there. If you enjoy that one and you want to see more, you know exactly what to do. So I'm gonna have to tell you. And I'll definitely see you in the next one. You see me? Yeah, big up.